To use the induction hobs, turn it on, select the hob and select the temperature. It will not work unless you put a pen on top, so it will keep blinking before you put something on it. Now it's heating up this hob. Note that if I move the pen to this one, it will start blinking again, and there is no hot in this one. So if you want to turn this hob on, you would need to select it, select the temperature. You will see it is blinking. Once you put the pen, it stops blinking and it starts heating up. To turn it off, simply press this button.